So today I'm excited to show you the Lifewit storage boxes. These boxes come in a pack of 8, and one thing I love about them is that they're collapsible and they also can store so much. You do have them in sizes of medium and large, and I love that the size for the medium is about 26 by 26 by 27, and for the large it is 33 by 33 by 33. You can store a lot of things like your magazines, toys, anything that you feel that you need to store. You can store it in there, and also you can also stack it up in drawers and in cabinets and stuff. I also love that when you have it in your drawer, you can also have this handle that you can use to remove it so that it's easy to access. And it really has a nice appearance. The colors are gray and black, very neutral, very lovely, very sturdy. The construction is sturdy and you can't beat this anywhere, and I absolutely love it.